Som tam, or green papaya salad, as known to foreigners, is a traditional northeastern Thai dish with bold, spicy flavors and with many variations, such as pickled crab and fermented fish som tam, seafood som tam, blue crab som tam, and dozens more. This fact confirms som tam's popularity. Fixing som tam is simple, and its ingredients are locally available. The ingredients include shredded green papaya, cowpea beans, tomatoes, bird chilies, dried shrimp, garlic, lime, fish sauce, palm sugar, and tamarind paste. You can now begin preparing som tam. The first step, crush the bird chilies and garlic in mortar. And then add shredded green papaya, cowpea beans, tomatoes, and dried shrimp. Mix well. Then season to taste with fish sauce, palm sugar, tamarind paste, and freshly squeezed lime. Once you are satisfied with the flavor, it's time to enjoy. Som tam is a low-fat choice for many people who are on diet. Eating som tam is like having a salad, only spicier. Som tam is rich in fiber from the papaya, which helps keep your bladder healthy and also is a mild laxative. Cowpea beans are a great source of vitamin C and fiber. It aids the digestive system. As for the som tam's other ingredients, bird chilies have antioxidants. Tomatoes have vitamin C for healthy skin. Dried shrimp are rich in protein and calcium for healthy bones. In addition, the garlic helps lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Som tam is not only great for your health, but when accompanied with assorted vegetables, grilled chicken, and sticky rice, enjoy the benefits of all the 5 nutrient groups full of protein, fiber, and energy. Research has shown that eating som tam, grilled chicken, and sticky rice with assorted vegetables such as sweet basil, morning glory, cabbage, and cowpea beans protects against carcinogens in the grilled chicken and is very beneficial to one's health. Som tam's versatility, simple preparation, and nutritional benefits have made this traditional local dish a favorite for both Thais and foreigners alike.